If you want to use magnification on Google Pixel 9a, first of all we need to open settings. Now in the settings we need to scroll all the way down in order to choose accessibility. Now in accessibility you should be able to find magnification in this place, and we can create this shortcut in order to have the button that allows us to activate the magnification. So if you tap on the button, now you can use the shortcut. As you can see, we can just for example, zoom in and zoom out like this. We can use this gesture, and if you want to stop using the magnification, by the way, if you zoom in and if you want to change the position, you need to use two fingers. So it looks like this, and with one finger you just swipe, you just scroll up and down, and you can tap on the button in order to quickly zoom out. Over here we have some additional information that might be useful in order to how to use the magnification. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!